What if a single building could introduce you to the soul of an entire region? Welcome to Metcalfe Hall, Kolkata. At first glance, it may look like just another colonial structure, grand pillars, high ceilings, echoes of empire. But step inside and you'll find a different kind of exhibit. One that doesn't just show you history, it immerses you in the heartbeat of Bengal. In one room, the story begins with restoration, photographs, models, and timelines of iconic structures across Bengal, the old charm of colonial Calcutta. You learn not only about what these buildings were, but why they mattered and how they still speak if you listen closely. Walk into the next gallery and you meet the brave hearts, freedom fighters, reformers, leaders who shaped India's journey. No school textbook can match the feeling of standing in front of their portraits, their lives etched on the wall. They were not just names in history, they were people who dared right here on these very streets. Then the corridor opens into something magical, a celebration of Bengal's cinema, music, adda culture, food, and festivals, all under one roof. You'll see a wall bursting with film posters, Ray, Ghatak, Shane, the masters who redefined cinema not just for Bengal, but for the world. Turn a little and there's a fish market recreated through art. It reminds of these sounds, textures, baskets, the hustle of morning deals. A full corner celebrates the Bengal's sweet tooth, from Rasgulla to Sandesh, and another honors the legendary coffee house where minds met over cups of endless tea, and revolutions were once brewed beside carom boards. Yes, there's even a real carom board here. A room is dedicated to Bengal's clay artistry, showcasing the intricate shola work and a beautiful Durga idol, reminding us how art here is both divine and deeply local. The detailing, the eyes, the hands, the expressions show not just religious devotion but craftsmanship passed down for centuries. On another wall, you'll find the heart of Kolkata, the college streets, Boipara. An entire display pays homage to the world of old books, second-hand stalls, and the thrill of finding a rare title tucked behind yellowing pages. You don't just see College Street, you feel it like you're there. Then come the lesser known layers. Photographs of Chinese, Christians, Armenian business houses, and the mixed cultural fabric that made old Kolkata what it is. This isn't a city of just one kind of story. It's a crossword where trade, migration, art, and resistance overlap. Metcalfe Hall is more than a museum. It's a classroom without a blackboard, a library without silence, a city tour without stepping outside. If you observe carefully, you'll walk away knowing why Bengal matters, how culture, commerce, and courage came together here, and why learning isn't always about reading. Sometimes it's about being present. So next time you're in Kolkata, skip the guidebooks for a while. Stand here, absorb, reflect, because learning lives in walls like these, you just have to know where to look.